of cone is that the section of cone whose vertex P and base curve is ellipse, plane z equals to 0 and also plane x equals to 0 is rectangular hyperbola, so that locus of P is equation of generator of cone through P, point P, alpha, beta, gamma, x minus alpha upon L, y minus beta upon M, z minus gamma upon N. It means the plane z equals to 0, x minus alpha upon L, y minus beta upon M, 0 minus gamma upon N. Plane points alpha minus gamma L upon N, beta minus gamma M upon N and 0 lies on ellipse. X square upon a square plus y square upon b square equals to 1. 1 upon a square alpha minus gamma L upon N whole square, 1 upon b square beta minus gamma M upon N square equals to 1. Eliminating Lmn from using 1 upon a square alpha minus gamma L upon N M upon N, y minus beta upon z minus gamma, 1 upon a square alpha z minus gamma x, 1 upon b square beta z minus gamma y, z minus gamma whole square, which is equation of cone and biplane x equals to 0. Cone 2, 1 upon a square alpha z whole square plus 1 upon b square beta z minus gamma y whole square equals to z minus gamma whole square. Is a rectangle hyperbola. It will be rectangular hyperbola if coefficient of y square coefficient of z square equals to 0. Coefficient of y square 1 upon b square into gamma square coefficient of z square alpha square upon a square plus beta square upon b square minus 1. Locus of point P x square upon a square y square plus z square plus z square upon b square equals to 1. That is the solution of this question. That's all. Students, that is the next question of cone. Most important question. Through that equation, ax square plus by square plus cz square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d equals to 0. Represent a cone if u square upon a plus v square upon b plus w square upon c equals to d. Solution. Function f(x, y, z) ax square plus by square cz square 2ux 2by 2wz plus d equals to 0. Making homogeneous one with new variable t f x y z t ax square by square cz square 2ux t 2by t to wz t plus dt square. That is the second degree homogeneous equation where a, b, c, u, v, w and d are constants. Differentiating with respect to x, y, z and t partially. Del f upon del x equals to 2ax plus 2ut del f upon del y 2by 2vt del f upon del z 2cz 2wt del f upon del t 2ux 2vy 2wz 2dt. Putting t equals to 0, putting t equals to 1. In the above equations 2, 3, 4, 5 and 5 2ax 2u equals to 0 or u equals to minus minus u upon a, 2by 2v equals to 0 और y equals to minus v upon b, 2cz 2w equals to 0 और z equals to w upon c. Equation 5. ux vy wz plus d equals to 0, putting values of x, y, z in above equation. U minus u upon a minus v upon b w upon c plus d equals to 0, u square upon a b square upon b w square upon c equals to d. Hence proved. That is the solution of this question.